Hi family, it's Christy at Designs for a Diva, and in today's video I am going to clean and decorate our guest bathroom. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Hi family, so before I got started cleaning, my husband wanted to hang the shower rod in that beautiful picture that I got from Ross. He had originally hung it in the wrong place. This is where I wanted it. I think I'm going to get some of those gold starbursts or something cute to go on either side. But for now, this is where I wanted that picture. So once he's done, I went ahead and sprayed down the shower walls and the tub and got it nice and clean before I hung the shower curtains. TJ Maxx is where I got this fabric shower liner for $7.99. I'll hang that first on those hooks. Am I the only one? But those hooks that you have to squeeze closed, they really hurt. So it really took me some time to hang that shower liner. But eventually I got it done. But yeah, those shower hooks really hurt your fingers. But hey, we got to make our bathrooms look nice, right? So here's the finished look for the shower liner. And let me move in closer so that you can see those are the hooks that I'm talking about. And I really like that shower liner there. So it looks nice, so I'll move on to hanging the shower hooks. These are different. I just need to run the front part in through the shower curtain. So I hung all of those up first, and then I'll come back with the shower curtain and hang them and just drop it in the hole on those hooks. I got this shower curtain from Ross. I thought it was the perfect color to go with that wall art with the silver trim. And then when I found the picture on the back of the shower wall, it was the same color. So I knew I had picked the right color. I love it. I just love that color. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this lighting really doesn't do it any good. But let me move in and show you the shower curtain looks like, and those are the hooks that it's hanging from. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm going to go ahead and dump the trash and start wiping everything down. I don't buy those trash can liners. I just use a grocery bag. It doesn't matter what color it is. It does the job. Once it's in that trash can, you can't see the liner unless you step on the little lever and it opens. But hey, who cares? And from here, it looks like I left that part hanging out. But when I went to sit it down, I realized that it was hanging out, and I tucked it in before I stood back up. So yeah, that part's not hanging out. So I'm going to get rid of the trash in here and go ahead and wipe everything down. So it'll be smelling fresh and looking good. And as you can see, my little spray bottle behind the soap dish, it is Mrs. Meyer's, and it's the lemon verbena. I absolutely love that scent. It's really light and clean smelling. It's a little citrusy, but not too overwhelming. And when you walk in the house from the front door, you just smell that light scent coming from the bathroom or the kitchen or wherever I've sprayed it. It smells so good. So I wiped the sink down and the toilet. And I don't think I showed you here, but I swept too. I didn't mop because it didn't need it. But I got everything smelling and looking fresh. And I'm pleased with it. So here is an overview of the bathroom. This wall art was my inspiration for the colors in this room. There were two of them, and they came with the house, and I decided to use it. Look at the silver glimmer in the leaves on the shower curtain. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's so feminine and pretty and light. And it's not like too much pattern. I think it's just right, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. And as you can see, I did mix metals in here. It's gold in this picture, and silver in the other wall art, but I don't mind mixing metals if it goes together. If I love it, I absolutely love it. So, but I am looking for some shelving to go in this bathroom. I'm halfway there. I got the part that goes into the wall. I just need the piece, the shelf part. And that beautiful, beautiful bowl is a hand-woven African bowl, dish that my co-worker Brian got me. He had it mailed to me as a housewarming gift. I absolutely love it. I love this soap dish and toothbrush holder that another friend of mine gifted me. And please excuse that white candle burner. I'm burning my pink zebra lemon pound cake, and it was the only one that I had right at my fingertips. I got that lantern from Family Dollar. It's actually an outside lantern, but I thought it was cute in here. I can turn that candle on. And the other flower and candle I got from Ross. So, oh, and the tall vase that you saw on the sink came with the house. So this toilet paper holder came from Zulily. I love the little bling on it. It was so affordable. If you haven't ever shopped at Zulily, please check them out. I'll put the link in the description box. I also got and it was a set, the plunger toilet brush toilet cleaner, and the trash can came from Zulily as well. So here is my finished bathroom. I'm going to make lots of changes in here as time progresses, but for now, it's ready to go for company, and I think it looks beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.